Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have lightning, and so yeah, I am here with the boys. If you don't know, there's Rick, there's Iggy, there's Henry, and there's Gabe. And there's Russell way back there. The small, the one on the right. Ooh!
I just got rocked with a glass foot. Ow, my eyes! My eyes! Stop doing that!
Guys. Oh, I think I just saw Noah. Yeah. Guys.
Dude, I have a TikTok account.
Oh, if you guys hear that, turn your volume all the way up. Hear it? There it goes.
Yeah.
You guys hear that? That was lightning. And guess what? There was once a double dipper, double dog. And yeah.
Stop shining that dang light in my face.
So yeah.
You have 2 minutes left. I know. Dude, it's raining.
So guys. Oh, if you guys saw, oh, I just saw one.
I saw another one.
If you guys saw that, leave a comment. Boy, but my comments are gonna be turned off. Yeah. If you know, guys, why I'm wearing this, it's because it's raining. And, yeah. If you guys know, it's raining. Rain. Oh! I think they turned it off for a reason. Or... Wait, no, I literally just saw their power just cut off.
What?
Legit, I saw lights turn back on. No joke. There.
Dude, this is late. This is terrifying, man. My foot hurts.
I'm still recording.
I know.
Guys, I'm not joking. This is like legit.
This is terrifying. Oh!
Oh, if you guys saw that, leave a comment. Because,
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
You should really try it. Feels good. In between your
No.
toes.
And
that's
do
a
switch
watery
my camera, and yeah. There are trees.
Oh, yeah, that's a watery spot.
Ah.
Ooh, rocks. Fucking shining the light in my face.
Yeah. So, sorry. Ooh, I thought I just saw one. There it goes. Dude, I'm not joking. I just saw one like over there. If you guys really can't see, I'm sorry. But yeah.
That sounded grim.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, did you guys see that? Did you guys see the light?
Oh my god, this car is hot.
Leave a comment down below.
This car is hot.
Oh, did it? I think it's been, like, used.
Why?
So, yeah.
I saw a lightning bolt. I literally stared right at it. Yeah, so am I.
Guys, dude, that was, like, close. I'm not joking. After that, legit, the sound just really came. Like, legit, like, came. Oh. Guys, I'm not in Australia. I'm actually doing this at nighttime. So, yeah. This is, like, bad. Well, if you guys have thunder, comment down below in the comments, because I'm actually kind of done with this. But I'm also kind of like, yes sir. Oh, I just saw another one. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in another video. See ya.